Test hypothesis. When you test a hypothesis, you often test whether your predictions are true. If your predictions is confirmed, then it supports your hypothesis. If your prediction is not confirmed, you might need to modify your hypothesis and retest it. There are several ways to test a hypothesis when performing a scientific investigation. You might design an experiment, make a model, gather and evaluate evidence, or research or correct data and record your observations. For example, you might make a model of a riverbank in which you change the speed and the amount of water and record observations and results. Analyze results. After testing your hypothesis, you analyze your results using different methods. Often it is hard to see trends or relationships in data while collecting it. Data should be sorted, graphed, or classified in some way. After analyzing the data, addition inference can be made. Draw conclusions. Once you find the relationships among data and make several inferences, you can draw conclusions. A conclusion is a summary of the information gained from testing the hypothesis. Scientists study the available information and draw conclusions based on the information. Communicate results. An important part of scientific inquiry process communicating results. Way to communicate results include writing science journal articles, speaking at science conferences, and exchanging information on the internet. Scientists might share their information in other ways too. Scientists communicate results on investigations and inform other scientists about their research and conclusions of their research. Scientists might apply each other's conclusions to their own work to support their hypothesis. Further scientific inquiry. Scientific inquiry is not completed once one scientific investigation is completed. If predictions are correct and the hypothesis is supported, scientists will retest the predictions several times to make sure the conclusions are the same each time. If hypothesis is not supported, any new information gained can be used to revise the hypothesis. Hypothesis can be revised and tested many times.